All is well, students. Here we are going to start exercise 5.7. Second question from this exercise is give reasons for the following. First one is a square can be thought of as a special rectangle. Means we have to explain or we have to give the reason whether for a square can be a rectangle or not. Here it is a rectangle and this is a square. A rectangle in which all the interior angles are of 90 degree. In square also all the angles are of 90 degree. In rectangle opposite sides are equal, but in square all the sides are equal. So a rectangle with all sides are equal. Suppose here is a rectangle, this is a rectangle and all sides are equal, then it will become a square. Therefore, square is a special rectangle. So the answer is because a rectangle with all sides equal becomes a square. Now second question is a rectangle can be thought of as a special parallelogram. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Also, in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Means this property is same in both these quadrilaterals. But in rectangle, the interior angles are of 90 degree. Now, if a parallelogram with each angle as a 90 degree, it will become a rectangle. Suppose this is a parallelogram and this angle is 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. Then it will be a rectangle. So the answer is because a parallelogram with each angle or right angle becomes a rectangle. Question C is a square can be thought of as a special rhombus. You know that all sides of a square are equal and also all sides of a rhombus are equal. But in square, all interior angles are of 90 degree and a rhombus with each angle as a 90 degree. A rhombus with each angle as a 90 degree becomes a square. Therefore, a square can be a special rhombus. So the answer here is because a rhombus with each angle or right angle becomes a square.